Getting your young learners to create animations is a great way of exploring ideas while incorporating digital literacy into your lessons. When creating animations with your class, remember, you're not training them to be professional animators. You are using animation as a tool to explore the curriculum. So don't worry too much about creating animations that rival Disney. Instead, embrace the process and harness the technical challenges involved to encourage your pupils to be independent and resilient learners. You don't need all the kit to get good results. This class have been asked to problem solve and come up with ways to hold the iPad steady without a tripod. Don't let a lack of equipment hold you back. Encourage your children to think their way around problems. Stop motion animation can be done in all sorts of ways. You could get your pupils to design paper characters to tell their story, or use Lego minifigures to create an interpretation of Richard III. There are plenty of apps available to help you. iMotion, which these young learners are using, automatically creates a movie from the photos you have taken, making bringing pictures to life simple and admin-free. Remember that your pupils are digital natives who have grown up with this type of technology. There are many tutorials available online, so don't feel you have to be the expert in the room. Get the more technologically able pupils to act as peer mentors and help those who are less confident. If you want to take it to the next level, you can go fully digital by using Scratch to create animations using drag and drop programming. Scratch is a tool to teach children computer science, but don't be intimidated as there are hundreds of walkthrough tutorial videos available. If you get really stuck, there is a community of supportive users on the forums who you can reach out to for help. Get your learners excited about ICT and create independent learners by bringing animation into your classroom.